Get out of the car now!
Get out of the car!
Oh my God! I'm pregnant! I told you to pull into the school and you took off in Florida! I don't want to go to jail!
A Florida traffic stop triggers 3 distinct Fourth Amendment events, a failed felony charge, and a roadside search that collides with one of Florida's oldest statutory safeguards. The legal analysis matters more than the drama.
Okay, so when I tell you to stop your car, stop the car. Go ahead and get on out. Get out your car. Get out your car.
I'm not getting out of my car for you.
Okay. Kayla, unlock the doors now or else we're going to take you out of the vehicle ourselves. Does her shirt say Cappies? Oh, you work at Cappies! Oh, okay, I'll make sure that they know what's going on here. Kayla, if you don't undo your window or unlock the door, we're coming in, my friend, so you better do it. Make a good decision. Yeah, she's a little heavier side, so.
One of those two things is going to happen. Because you're told to get out, period.
I want to know why.
You already fled from me back in the school. I told you to turn into the parking lot, and you fled from me. That's why we are stopping you.
We're not going to argue about this.
I do not care who, officer, anything.
You got in trouble for clocking people when you don't have a gun.
Quit dropping names. This has nothing to do with
Unlock
that.
your door.
Okay. Hey, stay 10-12. I'm going to get a window punch.
I got a punch.
Oh, he has a punch.
Oh, it's fine.
Open the door.
There you go.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
You want to act
Get out of the car now. I'm getting out of the car.
Get out of the car!
Oh my God!
Get out of the car! Put your hand behind your back.
Hey, Siri,
Put
call
your hand-
Brady!
Get your
Siri,
hand,
call
put your
Brady!
hand behind your back.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Relax, relax.
I'm pregnant. You're
Put your
hurting
hand
me.
behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
I'm pregnant.
Just
You're
listen.
hurting
Just
me.
listen to her.
If you would have listened the first time, we should not be in this situation, correct? Correct. I told you to pull into the school and you took it and you took off in Florida. If you would have pulled into the school, we wouldn't be in this situation, Kayla.
Sit up. Get on your knee.
I can't.
Get on your knee. Roll over then. Get up.
It's just, listen. Can you please pull my shirt down? Please, I'm exposed, please.
Stand up for me.
I can't. This is really tight on my wrist. It's gonna hurt if I pull up. I promise.
That's your problem. Get up.
Listen, I'm not
Get
kidding.
up!
Get up, Kayla.
I didn't.
Play this game one
I'm
by
not,
one.
but I'm telling you, what are you doing right now?
53
You
million, one
started
secured.
this game, not us.
Actually, and show her 10-15.
What am I going to jail for? I didn't
Fleeing
do
and eluding.
nothing.
Fleeing and eluding. I told you to pull into the school. You refused to.
Please call my boyfriend. I
No,
want him to
please
get
call-
my kids.
You're not
get no
calling
phone
anybody.
calls.
Nobody's gonna get my kids.
You're not calling anybody, my friend.
Please.
Stay 10-12.
You
I need to get
caused
the gloves.
You did.
Please, I've never been to jail in my whole
Did we
entire
not tell
life.
you what was going to happen?
begging you.
Did we not tell you what was going to happen? I don't
Because
care.
Look what you guys do.
Well, now you should be more scared. Because you didn't listen.
See, I literally didn't do nothing.
Just relax now. You're not going anywhere else. Just listen. It's only
I
going to
don't
help
want to
you.
go to jail.
Okay.
You have a
Relax.
choice now.
Please,
All you had to do was listen.
please, I don't want to go to jail. I'm sorry.
I don't care. You're going to
Ma'am,
jail.
please. What did I do? What am I being charged with? I
Really?
didn't do nothing.
Really? Because your attitude got you real far, didn't it?
How is my attitude a crime? That's why I'm asking you, what am I being charged with?
Fleeing and eluding, you already told that.
Reading a ruling from what?
From her.
I told you to pull
was
into
right
the
there.
school. You decided to
Yeah.
drive evasively and say screw you and you took off in the school zone. Don't even say you didn't do it because you did it, Kayla.
I'm
Okay?
sorry.
Around.
Can
Face the
I,
car.
listen, I'm not trying to be
Too late.
I'll just let Cappies know about
Too
your
late.
actions. That's fine.
Too late.
Spread your feet. That was totally unnecessary.
I have weed on me.
Totally unnecessary.
I have weed on me.
Good for you.
Okay, do you want to get it off of me or do you want
Can you just shut your mouth for a moment? Thank you.
The woman claims to be in possession of marijuana, and as the officer conducts a search, confesses to his very personal hiding spot.
If you even dare to try to take
Yeah,
off,
I'm
once I
not.
uncuff you,
I'm sorry.
I'm going to take this off and you're going to dig in there and you're going to get it out.
It's not
Do
even-
you understand?
Yes,
You're really done trying to take off right now.
I'm not going to run.
The suspect is uncuffed in order to extract the evidence from her private parts.
So you ran for me because you have weed in your vagina.
You realize if you bring more into the jail, it's a felony, right?
I don't please don't
Thank you.
take me to jail. I
No, you're going to jail, my friend. That's where we're going.
Should have thought of that before.
I told you to pull over, you said screw you, and you took off down Sandspur. All right? Wrong move. Wrong move. I wasn't even going to write you a ticket. I wasn't going to do anything. But now, you've done screwed this situation up.
You want to act like it's...
You don't lose your right.
Okay. Well, you do.
You did. You just lost your right to drive right now.
Go to law school. You're under arrest. You lose your rights.
So I have no right to call nobody to get my vehicle.
No, you don't.
No, that vehicle's getting towed.
Since right now.
So, all right. Let me just go move this seat out of the way, and she can ride with me.
I don't want to ride with her.
You don't have a choice.
I want somebody else.
You don't have a choice. Go ahead, cause yourself more problems. You just tack on more charges.
I just need to get my kids. I didn't even get out no food because I can't even cash my
You
check.
should have thought about that earlier.
My check is right there in my seat. I need to cash
Can't feed your kids, but you got that. That's sweet.
That's not even mine. That's my boyfriend's. Please. Please. Please, I'm begging you.
Back there. No, come on.
I can't even get my shoes or nothing.
Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, decided in 1977, officers may order any driver from a vehicle during a lawful stop. No additional justification is required. Refusal creates exposure under Florida Statute 843.0-2, resisting an officer without violence. Its 4 elements are resistance, lawful execution of duty, authorized officer, and knowledge of officer status. Each element is plainly satisfied on this record. Graham versus Connor controls the force analysis. 3 factors: severity of offense, immediate threat, active resistance. A school zone infraction sits at the lowest severity tier. Threat is modest, the subject is contained inside the vehicle. Resistance, however, is high after repeated lawful commands. A window punch tool sits within the hard, empty hand range. Reasonable, though, not the only available option. A supervisor pause or verbal de-escalation remained available. Florida Statute 316.1935 governs fleeing and eluding. It requires willful disregard of a lawful order to stop. Willful is the operative term. Failing to turn into a requested location, without activated lights and siren at that exact moment, is a weaker factual record than on-scene rhetoric suggested. The prosecutor's decision to drop this count tracks the statutory weakness. Florida Statute 901.211 controls strip and body cavity searches. It has done so since 1981. 4 procedural safeguards are mandatory. First, written authorization from a supervising officer on duty. Second, same-gender observers. Third, sanitary conditions. Fourth, an agency or facility setting. The statute exists precisely to prevent roadside intimate searches. Schmerber versus California and Winston versus Lee impose a heightened Fourth Amendment standard on all bodily intrusions. The Ninth Circuit in United States versus Fowlkes struck down a warrantless cavity recovery without medical supervision. Under Bell versus Wolfish, the place factor alone weighs against reasonableness. A public roadside is not a sanitary facility. Under Rhode Island versus Innis, a spontaneous admission is admissible. Volunteered statements are not interrogation.
Okay, but he was running radar, and I was in front of the school, and I could see clearly she was doing, I want to say at least 35. But
That's exactly what I said,
28.
35.
You had her at 28, but visual estimate 35.
I got a clock at 28, but
So-
visually she was doing 35 when she passed.
I'm gonna write her on the clock though. But thing of it is that then I could smell the weed.
Yeah, I
I
could
said
smell it
something, but I
immediately.
did. I said, because all I was gonna do is tell her to slow down, take a 10-8. That's it. I don't have time for this. So I was like, you got weed in your car too, and go ahead and pull in there. Boom, dude, she took off. I should have said it. You know, looking back. But anyways,
Well, get it for fleeing.
I'm gonna get her for fleeing,
So you.
and for the resisting because she wouldn't get out of the car.
Yeah.
I don't care what you have to say either, Kayla. You just committed a felony, so you're getting charged with a felony.
So then shut up and take me to jail. You're not
Oh, I am. You are going to jail, my friend. Don't worry about all that, Kayla. Don't worry about all that. Really?
shut up.
Do I, this is my card.
I don't want to talk to you.
Good.
Close it, bitch. Shut
Oh,
up.
I'm going to close it. Don't worry about that. That's so. Nobody wants to see you, hear you, or anything else, Kayla. You need to stop working at Cabby's. Go eat so much food. So don't worry about Johnson. He's going to be in a lot of trouble. So don't worry about him. Good for you. Here's the thing. That was my lieutenant that initially stopped you, okay? He had you on radar at 28. I could tell you were going faster than 20 in the school zone. Yes, I do visually estimate. Sometimes we're allowed to do that because it's part of our radar training, all right? I just had a ticket go to court.
I thought it was done when I see the school, I slowed down, but then it was too late. You already put the thing up. I'm not trying to speed to the school. I have 3 kids.
Okay.
I'm not trying to speed past people's kids. I drive past that school 3 times a day to and from work.
So you see me out there all the time, right?
I see you every single day.
Okay.
Right there.
So you should know it's a school zone then, Kayla. Like, I wasn't home. The only thing I was going to do, Kayla, was tell you to turn in there. I don't care if you got weed. I don't care. We can't charge it anyways. It doesn't matter. You're not getting charged with weed. The only thing I was going to do, Kayla, is tell you just to slow down. That was it. And I was going to take the weed from you and put it in for destruction. That's it. And we wouldn't even be here.
Point 43 now.
All right. I got wet wipes a little bit better.
Thank you.
Legal
How long
4
have you been at Cappy's?
Over here.
I'll be trying to use it.
So I never eat that. Let me see where else. Got it in your nose?
Yeah. Thank you.
Better.
The suspect was charged with 1 count resisting an officer without violence and received a $500 bond.
Primary officer C-. Lawful stop, lawful exit order, reasonable breach. Failed cavity search procedure, and professional conduct standards. Lieutenant C+. Proportionate initial intent, absent supervisory footprint during the intimate search. Subject D. Every choice compounded legal exposure. Department C. A 40-year-old statute does not excuse a training gap in the field. 3 forward-looking lessons. For drivers comply on scene, preserve silence, contest in court. Roadside arguments never succeed. Suppression motions do. For officers, concealment admissions trigger transport, not improvisation. The warrant process and the booking room exist for this exact scenario. For agencies, every word on Bodycam becomes trial evidence. Policy compliance is the cheapest form of civil liability defense. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.